Welcome to Shelter Food and Beer. I'm James, and I'm just going to do a quick video of food prep for the week. And on the menu today is a barbecued salmon sandwich with bacon. I've toasted 2 onion rolls and 1 bagel. And I put mayo and barbecue sauce on the top bun, lettuce, sliced onions on the bottom bun. I'm going to wrap these up in aluminum foil. Meanwhile, my salmon patties are cooking. I put pickles, these are the bread and butter pickles, on top of the salmon patty. I cover them with a nice Colby cheese, and what that will do is it will give me the good pickle flavor that I desire, but prevent the pickles from bleeding into the sandwich and make it all juicy and wet. I will often do food prep for my lunches on the go a couple days in advance. That way I don't have to make my lunch every day, and I'm also able to eat quality food on the road. These things are delicious hot, but they're equally as good cold. We'll put those all together, let them cool down, then I'll wrap them up and put them in the icebox. I add the bacon. Ooh, that's hot. Salmon, bacon, and barbecue sauce. And that's how I do lunch prep.